Switch on your camera.
Sir, I sent you my marks in chat.
Okay. Tarun. Okay, Nitin, I got it. Good.
Sir, I already sent it to you on WhatsApp.
So you have some connection. You already got on the test day.
Today, your voice
No,
is
sir. Most people got it, sir.
Most of them got it.
yeah. Today, most of us got it.
Okay. Good. Or, mute your mic, Navika. 40 on 40. Anyone 40 on 40? Okay. 39. क्या बात? 9, not even 39. It is surprising. 38.
Sir, Nitin got 39. That's what you put in the chat.
Nitin has sent me one. Nitin got 39. 38.
Sir, I got 38.
You got?
38.
Anybody else on 38? 37?
Sir, I got 37.
37.
Okay. What happened to this? What went wrong?
So this time I'm sure it was not any calculation mistake.
Then?
Because I actually solved the paper twice and then I revised 5-6 times also. Then only I chose the options. Maybe while choosing the options I might have chose the wrong option or something like that. But definitely it's not calculation mistake. I don't know. The paper was really easy. I don't know how I lost 2 marks. We have not yet got our papers.
You'll receive your paper?
Yes.
What?
Teacher gave the marks orally. She tried to send us our papers, but then for some reason we are not able to receive our papers. It's not coming to our mails.
And it was subjective test. No,
No,
objective
it
test.
was, yes, sir.
Then you have okay. You don't have question and answers options with you. What you
No,
choose,
sir.
you cannot review it.
Sir, I have the options.
You have all questions and options.
Yes, sir. Right now I have it.
And what you have selected, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Sir, I made 3 questions wrong.
Then how you got this?
So what,
You'll
sir?
get a copy of the responses in your Gmail.
So you can then review. Others can review.
No, we cannot make a change to it after
You cannot
submitting.
make a change. At least you can see
Yes,
what
sir.
you have
For
selected.
us, our teacher, when she gave the marks, she tried to send us a paper also, but we were not able to get our papers.
Then
No.
Lohit is telling that he has
Sir,
his
can I
question.
Yes. Sir, when you submit your paper, automatically I don't remember much, but some other subjects we got the copy of our responses in our Gmail.
Sir, I only
Only
got for
maths.
maths. So only for maths I got the copy of my responses.
I got for all other subjects. I don't remember much. Maybe you can review it.
Srinidhi, you cannot. You didn't receive any.
No, sir. I got only marks.
Check
I
your
did
school
not get the
email.
paper.
Check your school email.
I checked. I didn't get
I
the copy of
checked
my
it.
response. I got only my marks. But I know where I have made mistakes.
But
Yes, sir. Even I know.
Sir,
One
I
question
honestly
option wasn't.
made mistake
Sir,
because
any my 2 questions would be wrong, and
correct.
Anya will lose that many marks.
Maybe like the zero of polynomial type of question, or maybe there I might have made mistake. But
Yes, sir.
when I revised, I think I actually got all questions correct. I don't know where I made mistake.
Zero of the polynomial, like I chose
I
one
thought
half of the answer, like 1 by under root 3 and comma minus
not
1 by
that
under root 3
question,
the
but just
option.
like that kind of question, which does not involve any calculation type of questions. There was a question with 4 prime numbers.
Lohit,
Yes, sir.
can you send me that mail question and
Sir, I sent it to. Okay, okay. I didn't send maths. I sent science. Okay, sir. I'll send it.
please send it. I want, and the questions is same for everyone or it is different set?
Sir, it's same, sir. Sir, but I can't
Only
send it in
questions
mail.
shuffled.
I will take a photo in the PDF format and send it, sir.
Anyway, no problem.
Sir, I
Anyway,
sent
sir.
my responses in WhatsApp.
okay, I'll check. So I want to know the Lohit questions will be sending it to me. So those questions were same for all the students or different for different sections?
Yes, sir. It was same.
Same.
Same for all students.
Okay. And then you know what you have selected, Srinidhi and others, Nidhi. Those who are not aware, do you know what you have selected at exam
So
time?
maybe not all questions, but some questions I know.
Okay,
Other
anyway,
questions I
Lohit,
don't
you
know.
send it across. I will check. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But this is surprising. Nobody got 40 on 40. Surprising.
So one question, sir, like I got the correct 1 by under root 3. Didn't strike in my mind that immediately. It didn't strike in my mind that even minus 1 by under root 3 could come. So I got that 1 mark gone. Both answers were there. I wrote half correct, and then the other half I didn't realize that is there. I didn't see the comma in between. I thought it was minus 1 by under root 3.
Okay. Okay, anyway, but next time, please.
Yes, sir. Next time I'll do better, sir.
So next time, this time once I get my paper, I'll see where I've made the mistake. Next time I won't make it.
Sir, one question I'm having doubts, sir. They've given one question like you have to divide two numbers, sir, from the number system. I got one answer 2 to the power 17 by 15, but that option was not there in our exam paper. Like the exact option, at least 2 to the power 1, 2 by 15 should be there, but that was also not there, sir.
So actually, that question it can be written as I guess 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 15 by 15 or something like that. And the final answer will be 2 into 15th root of 4. I guess something like that only will be the answer.
No, sir, I got confused in that one also. I got till that step, but I couldn't do it further because the options were different. I couldn't identify which option to choose.
Sir, I can present my screen right now. I have the solution.
You first send it across.
Okay, sir.
I will review. Maybe next class we can see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So coming back to last class, MCQ. Have you tried?
Yes, sir, but I still couldn't do most of my.
I will start with 17th question. So anyone who managed to did that question?
Is the answer D?
I don't remember answer. Let me check. Is the answer?
D.
No. Anyone who did this question? First, don't make it monotonous. I can see only Srinidhi, Nidhi, Vidyut, and Nitin, some blues things. Don't make it so monotonous that I'm just listening your voice.
The answer is V1A1, V1A2 is equal to V2A1, right?
A1 V2 is equals to V2 V2. Come again, what you said?
V1A2 is equal to V2A1.
Yes.
So, sir, I have one doubt.
First half correctly, second half I didn't know how to proceed, so I did confusions. But second time I got it.
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, for a hollow cylinder, there are two surface areas. I mean surfaces or surfaces, sir. For
One
a
question
hollow.
was like that. That's fine.
Yes, sir.
When they talk about total surface area, so curved surface area,
So total surfaces, like how many surfaces are there for hollows for a hollow cylinder?
total question, which one?
So the sixth question in the MCQ
The number of surface, this
in
one,
hollow cylinder. Sir, it's 2, right, or 4?
the number of surface for a hollow cylinder object is. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many surface are there?
Sir, I take it as 2.
And
Sir,
what you
inner
said?
curve.
That's
Sir,
4.
inner curve. Sir, inner curve surface area is 1 and outer curve surface area is 2. And other than that,
And what
top.
about this? Is this not a surface?
Sir,
What about this? This is not a surface? Tell me, Lohit.
sir, it depends on the thickness, no, sir. Like suppose the thickness is like it's very thin, then also we can count it as a.
Huh, so
No, sir,
the thickness will be thin, 1 mm, 0.5 mm, but that will be a surface, isn't it?
okay, sir.
Now I will tell what is the surface area. Lohit, to you, what is the surface area of a solid cylinder?
Sir, of a solid cylinder, so what's the question?
How many surfaces are there for a solid cylinder?
So 3.
3, exactly. So for hollow, the one inside surface increases.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 17th question. Should I start with that? Okay, I'll see Srinidhi how she has done first. So the question is 2 sheet. So there are 2 sheet. A1, A2.
Sir, one doubt. So which book have you taken this from?
Book is write down the name. With it, you only write down the name. Book
Sir,
name is Mathematics for Vidyut. Author name is Vidyut Prakash. Where you have gone? Vidyut, your camera is off. Why you are
sir,
so,
I just wanted to ask because like
why you are so concerned? Questions were good or not?
challenging.
Challenging. Yeah, very good. So let's take the challenge. So first read the question. Everyone, please read the question, so that you have what is given and what is asked is very clear to you. So the question is 2 sheets of length A1, A2, A1, A2. There are 2 sheets. Okay. Used to prepare surface of 2 right circular cylinder. 2 right circular cylinder. With volume V1 and height is A2. With volume V2 and height is A1. Okay. Now you have to find the relation between V1, V2, A1 and A2. Okay. Question is clear to you?
Yes,
And
sir.
if Vaibhavi, Deepika, everyone please switch on your camera. Ayush, Tarun, Lohit, Nachiket, Navika, Kaushal, Shyam, Aditya, Manish. Manish, your friend did not come. Manish, Sahil did not come.
No, sir. I don't know.
So the question. Now, relation between these four things. You have to find it. Given is that they have made this cylinder with these two sheets. Okay. Yes, Srinidhi, tell me how you did this.
So, on the first cylinder, 2 pi r is equal to A1. So r is equal to
First, I will make this R and I will make Miss R. Okay. So you are
Yeah.
telling 2 pi R equals to?
A1 because it's rolled along the length. So
Okay.
equal to A1.
Okay.
And r is equal to A1 by 2 pi.
So R is equals to A1 by 2 pi. So this is what I wanted to know what you did. Guys, there are two sheets, correct? And they have made a cylinder, two cylinders from these sheets. So this is rolled and made a cylinder. Clear? This is rolled along A1. This is rolled along A1. That means this circumference will be equal to A1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
This cylinder rolled along A2 like this. So this circumference will be A2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
This is the only trick. Other thing is simple, very simple. Please try to understand. This is rolled like this. So the circumference is A1. This is rolled like this. So the circumference is A2. So R you have found in terms of A1. Similarly, 2 pi R equals to A2. So R is equals to A2 by 2 pi. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Srinidhi. V1 will be equals to, now to it's all formula you will put it. Tell me.
So V1 will be equal to pi into A1 by 2 pi into
No,
A1 by
first write it. V1 is equals to
pi
pi
r
R
H.
square. That
H.
is A2. We will write it A2. This is R is R here. Now we can write like this as pi A1 by 2 pi the whole square into A2. Correct, Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
And V2 we can write it as, yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
V2 we can write pi R square A1, which you can write pi A2 by 2 pi the whole square into A1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't get it. How, sir?
Prithvi, can you switch? Are you asking me anything?
Yes, sir.
Be a bit
how-
louder. Be a bit
Yes,
louder.
sir. In V1, how pi into A1 by 2 pi whole square into A2? That I didn't get.
This
No,
is
no.
R.
Yes, sir.
This is R is equals to A1 by 2 pi. A1 by 2 pi. I have replaced
Okay, okay. So we have
here.
to keep changing the value.
This R is value is replaced here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, wait, I will rub this one, this portion. Understood, na? This one I'm just erasing this. So now what to do? V1 equals to, how can you write?
A1 into A1 into A2 by 4 pi.
V2, how can you write?
So pi will not be there. Like
I
the
will do it. I'll do it. Do you agree this, everyone?
No, sir, we have to divide both of them.
Now this is equation 1. This is equation 2. We will divide V1 by V2 is equals to this pi gone, This is okay, and this pi gone. So what is left out? A1 by
Sir,
wait. This 4 and 4 gone. This pi and pi gone. So this is left out. Any doubt anyone has? Yes, Vidyut, you were telling something.
no, no, sir. I got it. I was gonna ask like how we have cut pi, and then I got it.
V1 by V2 equals to A1 by A2. Got it? V1 A2 is equals to A2 V2. Any problem in understanding this?
No, sir.
Please note it down, this solution. It was just a trick how you are folding and making it a cylinder.
So,
Yes.
the area of the rectangle will be the curved surface area of the cylinder, right?
Yes. Yes.
That's what I did.
Pardon?
I did the same exact thing by equating and stuff, but I got the answer as D.
No, no.
So I did the same thing. I'll send it to you.
Okay. You are telling that. Let everyone write it. We'll do that way also. We'll see. We'll see. First, write everyone with understanding.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, we are cancelling A2 and A1, right?
Yes.
Sir, can you tell why once more? Because
Why we are cancelling?
yeah, and sir, like it's is it mentioned anywhere that they are equal? That's all.
Where? Vidyut, did you understand the solution?
Yes, sir, I understood till the division step.
So what is left out? A1 square into A2 by A2 square into A1. So A2, A2, 1, A2 gone. A1, A1, 1, A1 gone. What is left out?
Okay.
Vidyut,
Yes,
I will, you know, I'm telling you, you are
no, sir,
becoming
sorry, sir.
so weak in calculation and you're not fixing it. You have to try to understand. The bottleneck is for you is calculation. Every class I'm telling you.
No, sir, not calculation, sir. I didn't like see when you're doing. I was doing over here.
So you don't see, you do it by yourself. Find it then. You do it by yourself, you'll get it. Ki what all things are getting cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll wrap this. Everyone has written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will start with Nidhi, what she is telling. Let's see. So she is telling that she is telling this is surface, this is A1, A2. Okay, equals to surface area of this. So 2 pi r A2. Correct? Nidhi, you have to respond. This is the way you did, na? Now you got your mistake.
So just 1 second.
What is r? 2 pi by A1. Did you find your mistake now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I tell you, ki you all guys, you try to find your own mistake. Okay. So out of this MCQ, anything else? Any other challenging question you have to?
Sir, in the
want me to
17th
solve?
question, I feel C and D are equal.
C and
D, option C and option
V1 A2 and V2 A1. Yes, both are equal. Yes, C and D should both are equal only.
both of them are right.
Both are right. So that's cross multiply V1 A2 and V2 A1. V2 A1, V1 A2. Both are right. Both are same only. Then why only they have given C as the answer? It should be C and D. Both. It should be both. Yes, then Nidhi, you are right. I didn't see it that way. Good. So 2 of you have done this. Any other question from that MCQ part?
Sir, the 20th.
Ask me good
20th.
question.
Sir, 11th.
Hmm?
Sir, 11th and 20th.
The
20.
volume of a cylinder of radius r is 1/4 of the volume of the rectangle box with a square base of side length x. The cylinder of the box having equal length. What are r terms in of x? Why, Vidyut, you couldn't do this question still?
Sir, I couldn't, sir. I tried it many times. I couldn't do it.
11, who all have done? What about others? I see only one hand. Couldn't do? Manish,
Yes, sir.
see what we are doing it. Just observe, because you have not done this chapter, you will not understand. Okay. So 11th question is the volume of a cylinder of radius r. Volume of cylinder of radius r is 1/4. Volume is 1/4. Is 1/4 of the volume of the rectangular box with a square base of side rectangular box volume of a rectangular box with a square base of side length x. So this is x and this is x. If the cylinder and the box have equal height, if the cylinder and the box have equal height, what is r in terms of x? What is r in terms of x? And they have volume. So what is the volume of this? X square h, and volume of this one is pi r square h. Correct? So r square is equals to x square by 4 pi. Correct? So r is equals to what? X by 2 under root pi.
Sir.
1 minute. 11 x square by 2. Just hold on a second. Pi r square h is volume, and 1/4 the volume of cylinder is sorry ulta. Volume of cylinder is 1/4 na. So 4 will be here. So this goes pi r square is goes to 4. So h gone. So pi r, so we can say r square is equals to x square into 4 by pi. So 2x.
So this is 1/4 of the volume of the
What is
rectangular
1/4? The
box.
volume of a cylinder
Is 1/4 of the rectangular box.
What I am doing here? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of this cuboids we say is x square h. Correct? And what is 1/4? Volume of cylinder of volume of a cylinder of a radius r is 1/4. ठीक है, तो what previously what I did was Vidyut, can I solve this question first? Can I solve? Volume of cylinder is 1/4 volume of this one, x square h. Okay. Numbers with square base characteristic. What is r? So r in terms of this. So this gone, this gone. So r square is equals to x square by 4 into by 1 by pi. So r is equals to x by 2 under root pi, x by 2 under root pi 11 b. Yes, so what? Correct.
So you got that correct the
Yeah,
first
correct
time.
only I got. First time only got correct. So what was that? R, H, X, X, H. We have written both volume. This volume is 1/4. So I wrote this volume, I wrote this volume, 1/4 equated. Got to get it. Now Vidyut, you tell me what's your problem. Vidyut.
Nothing. Now it's okay, sir.
So can you be very little patient? Any other thing?
Sir, can you give a clue for the 20th one?
And 14.
For the 14th, oh, you will do. Fourteenth, you will do. Wait a second.
So can you repeat which question number this was?
So can you give a hint for the 14th one?
Yes. So 20th question. The altitude of a circular cylinder is increased 6. Array, this type of question multiple you have done. You put it your mind 14th and 20th. What you have not understood above in this question?
Sir, I understood, but I'm not getting to solve it. So just a clue, not solving
So
it.
altitude of a circular cylinder altitude of circular cylinder is increased 6 times and the base area is decreased 1/9 of its value. Let this be H and this be R. The new circular cylinder, what the altitude of a circular cylinder is increased 6 times, 6h, and the base area is decreased 1/9 of its value. What was the base area? Pi r square. So, and the base area is decreased 1/9 of its value. 1/9 of its value. What is 1/9 of this value? Pi r square by 9, and it is decreased by that.
Yes, sir.
And the base area is decreased 1/9 of its value. This is the original value, and by 1/9 value means this minus 1/9 of that will be the new base.
Got it, sir.
Didn't get.
I got it.
Then what you have to find? The factor by which the lateral surface area of the cylinder increased is, you have to find it. Lateral surface area. Compare the lateral surface area of both this figure. Got it? Fourteenth question is the height of a sand in a cylindrical shape can drop 3 inch when 1 cubic foot and sand is poured out. Okay. What is the diameter in inches of the cylinder? The height of sand in a cylindrical shape can drop 3 inch when 1 cubic foot of sand is poured out. ठीक है. What is the diameter in inch of the cylinder? So you first you find the this one 13th question, 14th question. Who all have done first? You tell me who all have done.
Which one, sir?
14th.
But I still couldn't do the 20th one, sir.
14th question. Who has done this? Only Srinidhi. Anybody else? Nidhi, just do it. 14th question. No. No or yes?
I didn't get it.
So why only Vidyut is asking? Everyone is like making Vidyut as a face and everyone is getting the solution. Huh? Vidyut is becoming face. And behind him, everyone is getting their solutions. Vidyut, see what is happening. Yes, Arinjay. Arinjay. Deepika, 14th question.
No, even I didn't get it.
Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful.
No, sir, I really didn't get it.
Beautiful.
But I tried, but I didn't.
Beautiful. Tarun? Now the mic will not get unmuted. Network issue. Navika. What Navika is coming on. Vaibhavi.
Sir, I didn't get it. I mean, I just chose randomly, came right.
Chose random. What is this? This is new style. Chose randomly. Yes, Srinidhi. How to start this question? The height of a sand in a cylindrical shape can drop 3 inches when 1 cubic foot of sand is poured out. First, I will. The height of a sand, 3 inches, drops 3 inches. So this is 3-inch dropped. Okay. So the height of a sand is cylindrical shape can drop 3 inches when 1 cubic. If this is x, this will be x minus 3. So hey, just hold on a second. Just hold on. I'll ask you.
I did it different ways.
Vaibhavi.
Yes, sir.
Now this sand is in cylindrical shape with height x. And when you took out 1 cubic, where is the question? 11, 14 question. When you took out 1 cubic foot of sand, the height becomes x minus 3. Okay. What is the diameter in inch of the cylinder? In inch, 1 cubic foot.
Sir, so it's given in cubic foot, so we take the volume. Volume is equal to pi r square h minus 1 cubic foot is equal to
just hold
the
on.
volume.
Just hold on a second. 1 cubic foot. You have to convert first. Do you want to convert it into any other unit?
Inches.
Inches. So 1 foot is 12 inch.
12 inch.
So 1 cubic foot will be 1 cubic foot will be Yes, Srinidhi.
12 into 12 into 12 inches.
What's the value?
So I didn't calculate the value. It is getting cancelled later.
144 into 12. I will put it.
Yes, sir.
Cubic inches. Correct?
Yes.
Why we are doing this? Because they have asked in inch. Okay. How this is 12 into 12 into 12? Because cubic 1 foot is 12 inch and this is cube 3 means 12 into 12 into 12. Correct?
Sir, can you repeat, sir? I had to exit due to current cut.
We are converting 1 cubic foot in inches, cubic inches. So 1 foot is 12 inch. So 1 cubic foot will be 12 into 12 into 12 inches, cubic inches. Correct? So now this volume has come out. By what? What was this height? 3. This cylinder, if you consider this as cylinder, this cylinder is out and its volume is this one. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So this cylinder height you know, volume you know. Can you find the radius? This dotted cylinder I'm talking about, dotted cylinder, which has come out.
Sir.
Yes.
So the height
Can
will
you
be
explain
x
from
minus
beginning?
3 plus 3.
This is the beginning, Vidyut. Yeah, tell me, Deepika.
The height will be x minus 3 plus 3.
No, this is original cylinder, sand cylinder. You took out 1 cubic foot of volume of cylinder out of this and it became 3 inches less. Correct? So this part of thing is, what is the height? 3. This part of cylinder, 3 height and volume you know. Can you find the radius?
Yes.
Got it? Others, is it?
So can you just explain this height part, sir, once?
This is x, original height x. After pulling out this cubic volume of sand, what is the now new? What is the height reduced? 3. Correct? After pulling out this sand, this volume of sand, it reduced by 3 inches. So this dotted cylinder, which was originally there, and this sand we have taken out. So what was this cylinder? Height is 3 inch. Volume you know. Can you find radius? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the question now they have asked? What is the diameter? So ठीक है, radius you know into 2 is diameter. Did you get it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So is it A?
It's B.
It's B. It's B. See the calculation. Let's do it then. So what is the volume? 12 into 12 into 12 is equals to pi
172
r square into 3. So 12 into 12 into 12 by 3 into pi is equals to r square. So 12 into 12 into 12 by 3 into 22 into 7 r square. So
the answer remains in pi only. Like the options are given in pi, so we don't need to take 22.
okay, option is given into pi, so I'll keep it pi. So now this 12 root mein, so this 12 is gone. So and 3 4s are, so 12 out, 2 out. 12 2s are 24. Now this 3 4s are 12. So 4 So 2 and 12. 12 2 is a 24 by pi equals to r. So diameter will be 2 into 24 by pi, which is 48 by pi. Got it?
By root pi. Root of pi.
Sorry. Root of pi. Done? MCQ? So,
Sir,
okay.
can you solve that 20th question once, sir?
No,
How
no,
can you move a bit?
no, Vidyut, that is calculation. You do calculation by yourself.
No, not the 20th. Sorry. The 14th one. I'm not being able to.
Vidyut, are you in class?
Yeah.
Huh? No.
Sorry, sir. Like the question which I'm not being able to do is 17th. I'm not being able. No, sir. Sorry.
Vidyut, what is wrong with you? 17, 14, 28. I mean, you know everything, Vidyut, now. 17th I solved, 14th I solved, 20th I gave you hint. One question also I solved, no? 11th, I guess. 11th I solved. What else?
The 20th only I'm not being able to.
20th you have to do calculation. You have to do calculation by yourself. Okay, I'll start with new topic. That is cone. Okay. Where's book? Wait. Okay. So cone. Yeah, here is cone. Cone, you know, if I put it something like this, then this is cone. Okay. Any example of cone?
Sir,
ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream is cone, or that McDonald's cone. Na? You can ice cream, so you can get it in cup as well.
So birthday cap.
That's the best example. Birthday cap. Like this, you put it on your head. That is a perfect example of cone. So you recognize what is cone. So I will tell you something. Lateral L of a cone. What is L of a cone? L is this part. This is L. This is base radius. Here you will see that is base radius. We say base radius. And altitude we say from here to the bottom. Okay, that is altitude or height. I will draw it now. This is cone. This is denoted as L. This is R. And this is H. Can you visualize this one? L is from the middle, like from the middle, from here, this portion, this one, from here to here, that distance is H. This is R, and this one is L. Correct? Ayush? Tell me. Okay, Aditya Krishna. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the relation between L, H, and R?
So can you repeat?
Can you tell me the relation between L, H, and R?
L, H, and R. I think,
Voice is not audible. Can you be a bit louder?
yes, sir. L equal to H. I think.
L equals to H.
I think.
Nachiket,
Sir,
the relation between L, H, and R?
sir, relation or difference?
Whatever you want to say, you tell me. Option to you.
Sir, L, which is the slant height, is more than the altitude of the cone. Slant height is more than the altitude. I mean, slant height is not equal to altitude.
Why?
Sir, because
Because
sir, it's slanting.
slanting to. Yes, Shyam.
Sir, is it because of Pythagoras theorem?
I am my simple question. That was a customized question for Nachiket. He framed that question for himself. My question is, what is the relation between L, H, and R?
So L is root of
L is
root of L square, I mean R square minus H square.
R square.
Minus, I mean plus H square.
How?
Because Pythagoras theorem.
How Pythagoras theorem? Is this 90 degree? Is this 90 degree?
It looks like 90 degrees.
Looks like. Shyam, don't go on looks. Yes, it is 90 degrees, Shyam. Just now I said.
The right circular cone.
Huh. So when I'm telling that this is a cone, this is from here to here, one perpendicular line, and this is radius. So both are right angle. So that is right angle. And Pythagoras theorem, correctly you said. This is hypotenuse, this is radius, and this is height. So L square is equal to R square plus H square. Therefore, L is equals to, you can write L square is equal to R square plus H square. And this goes here, becomes L is equal to. And this is the formula of a slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone, which is L, equals to this one. Please write it.
Sir,
So we talked about slant height. Now second thing is curve surface area of a cone. Area of curved surface. So this is curved surface. Curved surface area of a cone. Pi r l. Pi r l is the curved surface area of a cone. Okay, and curved surface is what? This thing is curved surface. Now is volume of a cone. Volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay.
So why is it 1/3?
Wait. I will come. So, and the total surface area of a cone is what? Curved surface plus base. So what is curved surface area? Pi RL plus base will be what? Pi r square. Correct? So we go, this is one formula, 2, 3, 4. You understood why this? Okay? You understood why this? Now these two. Consider this dotted line. Is this a cylinder?
Yes, sir.
With radius r?
Yes, sir.
And volume will be pi r square h. Correct? Now, tuck. What it became? Cone?
Yes, sir.
This is a cylinder. Dotted line is a cylinder with radius r and height h. Volume is pi r square h. But we have taken out this. We have taken out this. 1, 2, and 3 part were there. We have taken out 2 parts. Only 1 left out. So this is 1/3 of pi r square h.
Yes, sir.
This is 1/3 of this pi r square h.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is also done. Pi r l. Although this is not in your syllabus to remember this derivation. Derivation is really very good if you can understand it. Okay. Or actually I left that cone. I made a cone, proper cone, to make you understand this, and I left it at home. But still I'll do it. I'll try to make you understand. This formula is okay, na? Understood? Even you will forget, you can remember. That volume is 1/3, why 1/3? Pi r square h is cylinder, but it is 1/3 because it is 1/3. Correct? That Pythagoras, Shyam told us how you remember with the Pythagoras. Total surface area is what? Pi r, the curved surface area plus base. Curved surface area is pi rl and base is pi r square. So pi rl plus pi r square. Now only left is pi r L. Okay. For this, I will have to give you some concept of class 10th. Do you want to know or you want to skip it?
You want to know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Skip.
No,
No.
sir.
So we want to know.
Okay. This is circle. Area of this circle is pi r square. Okay. Now, before going ahead, I want to tell you one thing. What is sector? This is sector. We say this is sector. If you want to find the area of this sector and its angle is theta, this is pi r square for this area full. And this is sector. You have to find the area of this. You have to write pi r square. R is what? This. Theta by 360. Again, I am repeating. This is a sector. I have taken out this one, this portion. Taken out this portion, I put it here. So how to find the area of this sector? Is pi r square, the area of circle, theta by 360. And theta is what? This angle. This angle is theta by 360, the whole angle, theta by 360. Okay. You can write it down for your understanding. You can write it down for your understanding.
Sir, it should be 360 by theta because theta is smaller than 360, right?
That's why the area of this will be small than this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So theta should be on the top as numerator because it is less. So resultant will be less than pi r square. Okay, Nachiket?
Yes, sir.
Got it or not? You didn't understand? Then you see the area of this sector will be less than this pi r square.
Yes, sir.
So theta should be numerator so that this resultant becomes less than pi r square. So if let's suppose theta is 60 degree. So we say pi r square 60 by 360, 61, 66. So pi r square by 6. This is the area of this one. If theta is, if this angle is 60 degree.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
But if this angle becomes 360 degree, if this angle becomes 360 degree, the formula becomes pi r square 360 by 360, which is 1. Therefore, pi r square, which is this. Understood? If you want to find the area of any sector, if you want to find the area of any sector, you have to make pi r square and that angle divided by 360. That will be the area of that sector. Clear? Okay. Now, this is 60 degree. We came to know about the area of sector. This is known as segment. This curve is known as segment. And we want to know the length of this segment. We want to know the length of this segment. Let's suppose this is L. Let's suppose X. So X is equals to 2 pi r theta by 360. 2 pi r is what? A circumference of a circle. And out of that we have taken this portion. This is 2 pi r. and we have taken out this segment and here, and we want to know this portion. So we will write 2 pi r into theta, this theta by 360. If this angle theta is 60, so we say x is equals to 2 pi r into 60 by 360, which is 1 by 6, or we can say 2 pi r into 1 by 6, 3 pi r by 3.
Sir. Sir, here why, can you explain once more why you have taken circumference?
We have to find this. Correct? Full
Yes.
circumference is 2 pi r. But this portion is 2 pi r theta by 360. Because this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Understood these two concepts? Did you understand? I'll rub it once. If you'll tell me, then I will rub this. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Sir, to prove this, we have taken the theta as 60, or you were just
The
using...
theta can be any angle, 0 to like 0 say 360. So if I've just formula is this one, okay. Now theta, when theta is equals to 60 degree, then it will be 2 pi r into 60 by 360, which is equals to 2 pi r into 1 by 6 equals to pi r by 3.
Yes,
When
sir. So that this example you gave us to like teachers or in the proof.
No, I have not.
What
I've
are
just
we
given the
using this?
concept, proving as of now.
Okay.
When this theta is 360, then 2 pi r into 360 by 360. 2 pi r. When this theta is 360 means whole. Okay. Now we will go to our main proving. There is a circle, okay, and we cut that circle from here. Actually, I made that one. I did not bring it. I forgot to bring. I'll cut this circle, okay. Then this one, and then we will make a cone. Cone will be something like this. Others are sleeping or they are in the class, because I can see only 4 or 5 students responding and telling. Others are in class or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me check. Tarun, put it on chat whether you are there or not quickly. Okay. Ritvi? Navika? Put it. Yes, 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 put it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ayush? Ayush? Ayush is...
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, when you cut from these pieces you take out, it will become a cone when you will rotate it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Cone is, this is L. Now, what is the surface area of this one? It will be, it
Sir,
depends.
can you repeat it once?
Okay, okay. Actually, problem is you'll not be able to visualize. I had made that cone proper. See, there is a circle. When you come cut it from here to here, okay, and this one also, then, and when you join it becomes a cone. You're not
Yes,
able to...
sir. Yes, sir. It will
Yes.
become a cone.
Yes, sir.
It
When
becomes
you join the
cone.
two ends, no, sir.
Pardon?
When you join the two ends, like when you cut it.
When you cut it and joins the two ends, it becomes a cone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This L will be what? If let's suppose this is radius R, so this L, this will be what? What will be?
R.
Sure?
Yes.
R. Okay. Okay. This is R. Now, and it has some other radius R. This radius is different.
Yes.
I'm not
But
understanding.
it will be same, right? It will be same, right?
That's what this R is different or same? You tell me.
Same.
Same. How same?
Same. So because we took it out from the circle zone, so
Okay. So
so one side is a radius. So when we take it out, L and R are equal because
no.
Sir, I'm not understanding anything. Can you please tell
That's
again?
what I wanted. Maybe I will do one thing. This proving I will tell you next class when I will bring that phone. Then you will visualize it. Visualization is very important because I know people will not understand why this R and this R is different. They are different. How different? I will make you visualize. Next class I will bring that cone. Okay. By the time we'll do some questions on this so that we can go ahead with this exercise. Next class one has to remind me before the class on WhatsApp that I have to bring that cone. Okay.
In the group?
No, not in the group. Don't disturb everyone. Okay. Just one. Who can remind me?
So I can.
Okay. Vidyut, you remind me around not at 7 o'clock because you remind me by 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Then I will bring that cone and make you visualize because it's little confusing, but it is very easy. So we'll do the question. So formula, you know very well. The question is find the height of a cone. The height of a cone is 24 centimeter and the diameter of the base is 14 centimeter. Height is 24 centimeter and diameter is 14 centimeter. Find the slant height. Diameter is 14 and height is 24. Find the slant height. Volume and area of, find the slant height, volume and curved surface area and total surface area. Quickly find it. You have all the formulas, put it, find it and tell me answer.
So slant height is 25.
No, wait, you get it, then raise your hand. Then I'll. Hmm.
Sir, done.
Okay. Deepika, done?
Yes, sir.
What is slant height?
25.
What is volume?
1232.
What is curved surface area?
550.
What is total surface area?
704.
Yeah, that's correct. All answers correct. Anyone want me to solve this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now next question. Anyone has doubt in this? Tell me, I'll solve this then.
No, sir.
Okay. Now next question is, how many meter of cloth 5 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent, the radius of whose base is 7 meter? So conical tent one has to make. Of base 7 meter, of the radius of the base is 7 meter. We say this is 7 meter and height is 24 meter. You have to make this tent. How many meter of cloth required, which is already 5 meter? Cloth is 5 meter, but length you don't know. You have to find the length of the cloth to make this conical tent.
So do we have to find the
What you will have to find?
slant height? Slant height?
Again, I am repeating, you are supposed to make this conical tent of radius 7 and height 24 from a cloth whose width is fixed 5 meter. What should be the length of the cloth required? Clear?
Let's go.
Vidyut, are you still confused? Confused with this question?
Sir, I'm not very clear what to find.
Think.
Sir,
Yes.
is it 110 meter?
Yes. Vidyut, to make this tent, what is the surface area? That much of cloth is required. You just imagine the tent. Imagine tent. You are making a tent. So what is that required? Curved surface area.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think you need the total surface area, right?
10th is from the bottom. It is, there is no surface.
There is, sir. Like,
Pardon?
there is. I'm pretty sure there is. The bottom.
Bottom?
A tent has like the bottom covered.
No, curved surface. So when you are making a tent, that curved surface, your bottom is base. You are not having, na? Base will be open. Base will be open, na?
Yes.
How you will get inside?
Oh, sir. So in this, the CSA is equal to area of this cloth.
Just understand what Ritvik is telling. Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
the conical tent. Okay. Conical tent, how you tie it on the ground from all the side. You can inside you can keep your bed sheet or whatever, but we are talking
Okay.
about the conical tent.
Okay.
So that will be the
Now
curved
it is.
surface area. So
Yes.
for that curved surface area, you know, you want to know pi r L, but L you don't know, but you know this. So you can find L and put it here.
Yes,
So
sir.
you'll get some area. What is that area you're getting? Curved surface area.
550.
Pi into r into L. L is what?
25.
25 into 25. This is curved surface area. So we can say 22 by 7 into 7 into 25, which is nothing else but
550.
550. Now area, you know, this for the cloth area, what area you know? 550 you have to find it, which is width into length, and then you can find 110. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. The height and the slant height of a cone. The height and the slant height of a cone. (21) and the slant height of a cone is 28. Find the volume of the cone. Find the volume of the cone. Yes, anyone with the answer?
So we have to find out.
Sir, is it 1078?
You find the volume of the cone. Volume you have to find. 1078. No?
I got the answer.
Yes, Navika, what's your answer?
So I got the answer as 7,546 centimeters cube.
Yes, that's the correct answer. For volume, 1 by 3 pi r square h. You know h, but you don't know radius.
So 1 by 3.
Sorry, 1 by 3. So you don't know radius. So for radius will be what? 28 square minus 21 square, which is r is what? What is coming r?
So 7 root 7.
7 root 7. So for volume, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into h is what? 21. So this 7 gone. Then 7 to 7, 7 7 is 49. So 22.
3 and 21.
Where is the correct? 3 and 21 gone. 3 7. So we are left with 7 7, and so 22 into 7 into 7 into 7. Correct? And the value is 1 5. What is the value? 7 5 4 6. Where you did mistakes, Srinidhi?
So the last step, instead of multiplying 3 sevens, I did only 2 sevens. So I did 22 into 49
Okay.
instead
Check,
of 22.
check, Srinidhi, check. Next question.
Sir, we can.
We can?
No, I think so. I got confused.
No, Kaushal, you were telling something.
Sir, no, sir. I got confused in something. I got it.
Okay. The radius and height of a right circular cone. When we say right circular cone, that is that cone only we are talking about. The radius and the height of right circular cone are in the ratio of 5:12. Radius and height are in the ratio of 5:12, and the volume is 2512 centimeter cube. Find the curved surface area, and total surface area of the cone.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
so is it okay to find it in terms of x?
In terms of
X.
will it be okay if teacher give you 0 on this? I'm giving you one hint. Can you find x? 5x and 12x is the radius. You can find x value. Anyone who has found x value, please raise your hand. Only Lohit has found x. Yes, Lohit, what is your x value?
Sir, it's 2.
Yes, that is absolutely right. And how you will find x? If radius is 5x, height will be 12x. So what will be volume? Volume will be 1 by 3. Radius is 5x and height is 12x. What will be volume? 1 by 3 pi r square h, which will be what? 25 pi x square into 12 by 3.
12x, right?
So 12x.
Sorry, 12. So it will be 12x. So x cube only. So 3, 4. So it is 100 pi x cube. Correct?
So volume is given.
Wait. This is
Yes, sir.
separate, this one, and you can volume is given as 2125 12 is equals to 100 pi x cube. Can you find the value of x? X will be what? 2512, or I'll make it like 2512 equals to 100 into 22 by 7 into x cube. So 2512 into
Sir, if you take pi value as 3.14, then it will be more easier, sir. It will become 314 x cube.
314 x cube. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, and then it will be more like easier, sir. So it will be x cube is equal to 2512 by 314.
So x cube is what is coming? 8, na? It should come 8.
Yes, sir. X cube should be equal to 8. Yes, sir.
Let's do it like this. 2, 11, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 12, 11, 1, 11, 11, 1, 11. No, it won't go with 11. So it is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 by Then why it is not coming? Why it will not come here? Okay.
Sir, I tried that, but it was like it does keep on going on. That's why I tried it at 3.14. Then it came.
I'll see. 2512 equals to 314 by 7 x cube, correct? So 2512 into 7 by 314, correct? Two ones are 2, 5 are 2 ones are 2, 2 2 5.
It keeps on going on, sir.
Yes, Lohit, tell me now how to cut it.
Sir, I did 2512 by 314. I didn't put 7.
Oh, sorry, how 7 will come? Sorry.
Exactly, sir.
Now?
Yeah, sir. Now 314. Sir, it will come in 8.
8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 8 5s are 40 plus 5, 45. And 8 2 6 9 20. So 8 7s are 5 6. 8 40 or 5 45. 8 1s are 8 19 11 12. Correct. So this is it. X is equals to 2. You got x is equals to 2?
Yes, sir.
Everyone got it, na? How to got x is equals to 2? Now assume that this is radius is 10. Height will be
60. Sorry.
Height will be 24.
24.
And find the value on this basis. Volume and whatever is there. Total surface area and curved surface area. Understood? Tell me yes, no. Did you understand?
Sir, is that CSA 816.4?
CSA is
816.4. I've taken the pi to be 3.14 because nothing is divisible.
CSA is 816.4.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
And sir, TSA is 1130.4.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Good. Okay, so your homework is very few questions today. Exercise. This exercise, first 5 questions only.
Yes, sir.
Only 5 questions, first 5 questions of this exercise. R.S. Agarwal. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then thank you.
Can we leave?
Yeah, sure.
So,
Thank you.
sir, is there any extra book which Sapiens provides, sir?
I will give you assignments.
Okay,
Once
sir.
you do this R.S. Agarwal, again the third round is with assignments, which I will provide you.
Sir, is there any material like
Science
provided?
you have. Science, have you collected science book?
No, sir. I didn't collect any material.
Science book you are supposed to collect it, na? All science
Okay,
students
sir.
are supposed to collect science book from institute.
Okay, sir.
Okay, science maths I will do it. R.S. Agarwal, NCERT, then Exemplar, R.D. Sharma. These books we will finish it off.
Thank you, sir.
Everything we have to do. Science
Thank
ke
you,
liye
sir.
you please collect a book from institute.
Sir, when can we come, sir?
In the evening time, between 4 to 8.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.